All right, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, we are at the final attraction. I know I posted a video of this rather short, like idling and revving. We finally got my buddy Mark's race car. He has a street car and a race car, a 69 and a 67. They're both twin turbo LSs, but the one is a 427 LSX block. The other one is a 6-liter with pistons and rods. One has Chinese 7665s, and this one, the race car that I'm finally about to post some video of, has twin billet ETR HO 76s from Jose at Forced Inductions, and it's the 427 6-bolt LSX block. But what's funny about it is he did stock exhaust manifolds and 3-inch intercooler piping, Chinese air-to-air intercooler, and a completely stock LS3 intake manifold, which is definitely not what most people do. And we finally got it in the dyno for the first time last night. This car, of course, is running engine management from our buddies at EFI Source. It's got the gold box in it, and we made a couple initial pulls here on pump gas, and everything was going pretty good. We did not have much pump gas at all, so we went straight to the race gas and right for the throat because everything was going well. On that pull, I think I hit boost cut at like 11 or 12 pounds, and we still were in the 700 and 800 horsepower range.
Let's do it, baby.
Now, this is after midnight, after fixing all of our issues and whatever other random things we had trouble with. We were starting to make some really good power. We were over 1,200 horsepower, and it kept climbing. We were almost reaching the end of the map sensor, and we figured, you know, what the hell, we wanted to see 1,300 horsepower to the tire, so I got Mark to shoot some video outside the car, and I got some video inside the car, and this thing is really sounding nasty towards the end of the night, making, you know, over 1,200 to the tire.
That's always how it goes. It fucking sounds good, man. 1292. Fucking kidding me? Sounds so good. Fucking baby soft there. That'll do it, boys.
What kind of mile an hour?
Huge. 172, 175.
Yeah, I'm almost hitting the limit of my roller speed anyway for this. 184 is my mile per hour limit.
How do we get?
I lifted
Dude,
it.
how do we get 8 more horsepower?
I lifted at 70, 184.
Come back next time.
What was the air fuel on that one?
Like 1170. We couldn't quit with that 1292, so we went for a hair over 13. is our final number for the night. Not bad for some shakedown pulls for our first day with the car out, other than idling. Pretty damn impressive. And I have here another chart of all the overlays from where we started and where we ended up for the night.